Hello, Norway 4 Bravo Alpha Alpha, Strawn, Indiana. We have 55 to 60 mile an hour winds right now. It's absolutely relentless and has been for about 12 hours. We got another 6 to 10 hours to go. Actually, the anemometer says 40 gusting to 60. That top is a 2-element 40 on a 27-foot boom on a 2-inch chromoly mast, and it's dancing. We'll give you an update later. 73.